Hello everyone, welcome to Money Wisdom channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about what skills I should learn to make money online. There's no denying that the COVID-19 pandemic has changed how we live and work. Perhaps one of the most significant changes has been the move to working online. This has been a positive change for many people, as it has allowed them to enjoy greater flexibility and freedom when it comes to their work life. And for online students, it opens up a whole new world of opportunity. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. While it's true that you can't get something for anything, there are some skills you can learn that will help you make money online. And the best part is, many of these skills can be learned in your spare time for free. A little effort can go a long way towards building a steady online income. In this video, we will talk about those skills. One popular skill to make money online is virtual assistant. Many people dream of working from home, but they don't necessarily have the skills or experience to get started. That's where virtual assisting comes in. Virtual assistants provide administrative and secretarial support to clients, but all remotely. This means you can work from the comfort of your own home or anywhere else in the world for that matter. And because you're providing service online, you don't need any tech skills or experience to get started. All you need is a strong work ethic, good communication skills, and the ability to stay organized. If you're thinking of becoming a virtual assistant, you may be wondering how much you can expect to earn. The answer is it depends. Virtual assistants are paid for their time and skills, so your potential earnings will depend on your experience, the type of work, and the client you're working for. Hourly rates for virtual assistant work can range from $20 to $100, and many virtual assistants can find steady work with multiple clients. There is good potential to earn a healthy income as a virtual assistant. Second, web design and development. Web design and development is a digital skill within graphic design. It is such a great way to earn money online. By definition, web design is the process of planning and creating a website. This includes the layout, design, and content of the website. On the other hand, web development is a process of coding or programming a website so that it is functional. To be a successful web designer or developer, you need to have strong skills in both areas. One of the greatest things about web design and development is that it is a versatile skill. There are many different directions you can take your career, and there are always new technologies and trends to keep up with. Whether you want to work as a freelancer, start your own web design business, or even get a job at a big company, plenty of options are available. Plus, since more and more businesses are going online, there is always a demand for talented web designers and developers. Web design and development is a great field to get into if you're looking for a good income. The median salary for web designers and web developers is $70,000 per year. Those are just the median salaries. There are plenty of web designers and developers who make much more than that. So, if you're talented and hardworking, you can earn a good living as a web designer or developer. Plus, it's a field that will only grow in the future. More and more businesses are relying on their websites to reach customers and make sales. So, the demand for web professionals will only increase. You can succeed in this field and enjoy a great career doing something you love with the correct skill set. Next, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a field that is constantly evolving, which means there is always something new to learn. However, you don't need a degree to be successful in SEO. All you need are the right skills and the willingness to keep up with the latest trends. The essential skills for search engine optimization are understanding how search engines work and how people use them to find information. With this knowledge, you can develop strategies to help your website rank higher in search results. Additionally, it is also essential to write compelling content that encourages people to click through to your site. If you have these skills, you have everything you need to be successful in search engine optimization. And best of all, you can earn a great living doing something you love. As the demand for online content grows, so the need for skilled professionals who can help businesses rank higher in search engine results. And as anyone in the industry will tell you, there's a big money to be made in SEO. Top earners in the field can easily make 6 figures or more. Of course, it takes hard work and dedication to reach that level of success. But if you're up for the challenge, then a career in SEO could be very lucrative for you. Fourth, blogging. There's no denying that blogging has become a popular way to make money. But what many people don't realize is that you don't need to quit your day job to be a successful blogger. You can use blogging to make some extra cash on the side. All you need is a skill or knowledge that others are willing to pay for. For example, if you're a talented graphic designer, you could start a blog about design tips and tricks. Or if you're an experienced photographer, you could share your best advice for taking great photos. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. It's also no secret that bloggers can make a lot of money. Many bloggers make a full-time income from their writing. There are ways to make money as a blogger, including advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and build an engaged audience. Once you've established yourself as an authority in your field, opportunities will open up to monetize your blog. And with a little hard work and dedication, you could soon be earning a 5 to 6 figure income from your blog. Then, transcribing. As a transcriber, you will be responsible for converting spoken words into written text. This can include anything from interviews and speeches to court proceedings and conference calls. While the work can be challenging at times, it is so gratifying. You will be satisfied with knowing that you are helping to create essential documents. Still, you will also enjoy the flexibility of working from home. There are a lot of benefits to working as a transcriber. For one, the average transcriber earns a pretty good hourly wage. According to the research, the average hourly rate for a transcriber is $18 per hour. That's not bad at all. In addition, transcribing can be a great way to spruce up your resume. It shows that you have an excellent typing and audio recognition skills. Still, it also demonstrates your ability to pay attention to detail and work quickly and accurately. Plus, it's a great way to make some extra money. If you're looking for a flexible, part-time gig that plays reasonably well, transcribing might be the perfect fit for you. Finally, proofreading. It's always a good idea to proofread your work before you print or publish your latest blog post, pamphlet, or novel. Proofreading involves carefully reviewing your text for spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, and typos. This final editing step can help to ensure that your content is error-free and ready for public consumption. If you're interested in earning some extra money, proofreading may be the perfect opportunity. The potential income for proofreading is $6,000 per month or more, making it an excellent option for those who are looking to supplement their income. In addition, proofreading can be done from home, making it a convenient option for busy people. Making money online is a lot easier than most people think. Many skills can be monetized, from writing and programming to design and marketing. The key is to find a talent that you enjoy and are good at, and then put in the hard work to build up a client base or follow. With a little effort, anyone can start making money online. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.